Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. GitHub Copilot just got even smarter and now it's in your terminal. In this video, we are diving into GitHub Copilot CLI, the command line companion that brings AI directly into your terminal. GitHub Copilot CLI allows you to use natural language to control your terminal. Instead of remembering long cryptic commands, you just ask Copilot what you want, and it writes the command for you. For example, you can ask a command like Copilot suggest undo last commit, which is a git command which I don't remember, and see it has give you a proper result over here. Let's talk about the setup. The setup is fairly easy. All you need is Node.js v22 or higher, npm v10 or higher. On Windows, you'll have to use PowerShell v6 or higher, and you need an active Copilot subscription. To install, you have to just run this command, and to launch, you have to run Copilot. After doing this, it may ask you to verify your session to confirm your Copilot subscription. The screen would look something like this. And once you are done with that, you are ready to use it. Let's open Copilot in help mode now. I'll do a CLS to make it easy for everyone. And I'll say Copilot help. As you can see, there are multiple modes in which it can be used. So you can add directly, you can clear the chat history. One of the most important part over here is login and log out. If you have two subscription, you can very well log out from the current one and go into the login one. The other one which is important is MCP. So you can show, add, edit, delete, disable or enable MCP servers directly from the terminal. The slash model will give you the list of model, or you can choose the model of your choice. Then there are other options like usage and other stuffs which you can view a little later. Let's get into Copilot and show you some operators. So I'll again type Copilot and let it load. The good part over here is that GitHub Copilot CLI comes up with the GitHub MCP server. So most of the GitHub commands are already supported over here. One of the most important part of using this is it will always ask for your permission. For example, you are in a particular directory, it will always ask if it can proceed. So I'll say yes over here. As you can see, I'm inside it now. Let me show you some operators over here. So as shown in the help command, the operator slash will give you all the other commands. Again, you can see login, logout, MCP, model. Let me try the model one. So if you see, I'll just say model and press an enter. So the default model is Cloudera Sonnet 4 and there's other option of GPT-5. I'll keep using the default option. Now let's go to the other operator, which is the add operator. When you give the add operator, you would see that it gives you a list of files which are available in this folder. Now this file will act as a context for the model. I'll just go down and choose the first one. Let me choose this one and ask some question. What is the use of this class? When I do that, it is going to get into the class, try to understand it, and it will explain it. It's still thinking. See, here it has explained the whole purpose of this class. Cool, right? Now let's go to the other operator, which is the exclamation operator. When you use this, you can run shell commands directly inside Copilot. So you don't have to leave Copilot for running the shell command. Now why will a developer like it? Copilot CLI saves time, boosts productivity, and makes your terminal far less intimidating. It is perfect for developers who juggle multiple tools or for someone who hates memorizing flags. So there you have it. GitHub Copilot brings AI straight into your command line. Try it out and see how much faster you can code, explore, and experiment. Drop a comment if you tried it. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more such quick dev tool breakdowns. Thank you.